How to fix login error in Deliveroo application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to a better network. And by doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if you're still having any problems, go to your settings, scroll down and click on General and click on iPhone Storage. Scroll down again and navigate yourself to the Deliveroo application. Click on Show All, and here's the app we're looking for. Simply click on your application and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and reinstall app. And what this does is it deletes the app, but it keeps its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below.